Hey everybody, welcome back to Larkin Lane Creations, and this is Elaine. Today I want to show you granite. Yeah, these look pretty odd, I know it. They're granite samples that we get. And, yep, sure enough, before I came along, they went to the landfill. Now isn't that sad? Because look at this piece of granite. This is beautiful. I mean, it's a good size for a log of cheese to be put right there. So, what did I do? I started making some stainless pieces that are cheese spreaders or cheese knives so we can take advantage of this and this doesn't go to the landfill. Now, this one is a little odd to me, but what I did with it is I took and I put resin on all the raw edges. So of course it's food grade safe, and I covered the bottom and added some little feet. Now I wouldn't suggest the dishwasher for it, of course, but to be hand cleaned in the sink, I don't see where there'd be a problem. And then of course I took stainless wire, and what I suggest is about a 20 gauge or so. And then what I did is I ran a piece down the back, wrapped the wire around it twice, added a bead, wrapped the wire twice, added a bead, wrapped the wire twice, so on and so forth, until I got to the end and I came back up. On these, I started with a little spiral at the top and ended with a little spiral. Now I'm going to tell you, this takes a little talent and a little practice because you don't want to get any kinks in it. So I would suggest this technique personally. Now again, I've got some little hatchets or with beads on them. And I mean, to me that is just, and it fits in your hand fine. The only other thing too you want to do is you want to stay away from any kind of wooden beads. Most of these are glass, a couple of these are plastic, but that you should be able to put into the dishwasher. I think it's really pretty. It's nice. As I said, it fits in your hand. And now what's wrong with this piece? Nothing. So I'll add a few feet to the bottom of it, just to keep it off of the tabletop. It's a perfect piece of granite to do a little cheese board, or little pieces of, like those little gift packs that you get with the meat and the cheese in it. So, and I've gone on a couple of retreats. One was in Kentucky, to the Stencil Girl retreat. That was last year, and I took a bunch of this kind of stuff. It's pretty funny because my car weighed so much with all the samples that I was taking to share to see what other people could come up with that you could literally not see the tops of my tires. That was a 9-hour drive for me. So yeah, I was a little nervous, but all went well, so I did it again. In July, I went to the Maryland Art Retreat with Patty Tally Paris that puts that on. And again, I took a bunch of samples. I had some granite, but this time I had a lot of tile. And I'll do a video in the future on things to do with tile. It'll be fun too. So I just wanted to give you an idea. This stuff, you can do things with it. Now, if you have any other ideas of things to do with pieces of granite like this, please share it with me down here in the comments on my YouTube channel. I would greatly appreciate it. And if you are a YouTuber who has quite a following, please recommend me in your recommendations over here on the side. I would appreciate it. I'm kind of starting off here, and I would take all the help I can get. Otherwise, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to Larkin Lane Creations and tell your friends. Appreciate it. Have a good day. Bye.